Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so you are doing well. Today I will share you popular nail polish design. First I tell you ombre, gradual color transition from darker to light, gradient blending two or more color together, striped horizontal or vertical strips in various colors, dotting. Create a patterns with small dots, stepping using nail strappers to create intricate design, diagonal strips or pattern across the nail, watercolor, soft blending color, resembling watercolor, painting spalter, creating a spalter effect with polish or brush, glitter. Applying a glitter polish or loose glitter for a sparky effect, marble, creating a marble-like effect with swirling colors. Some popular nail polish design tools include polish, nail art brush, nail dotting tools, stapler, art stampers, guides, glitter polish or loose glitter, nail polish remover. Hope so you like my video. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel.